Xiaomi's slimmest smartphone, Mi 11 Lite 4G, was recently launched in India, and just after its launch, we heard that it's likely to be discontinued. Why was it launched then? Anyways, that's not happening for now because its 5G variant is going to launch in India very soon and it will be called Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. But guys, Xiaomi has already launched a lot of smartphones in its 11 series, so what's so special about this one? Let's find out in today's video. But before moving on guys, hit the red subscribe button and also tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest tech videos. So guys, here's the story. Xiaomi launched Mi 11 Lite's 4G and 5G variant way back in March in China. And later, its only 4G variant came to India at the price of Rs 22,000. And at that launch, Xiaomi announced that they will likely be launching the 5G variant if required. In fact, recently there were reports suggesting that its 4G variant might be discontinued, but that seems unlikely now because its 5G variant has been spotted on some of the notable certification websites already. So in short, the Xiaomi 11 Lite's 5G variant is indeed coming to India very soon and that will be called Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. That's a big name. But anyways, the NE here stands for the new edition. In fact, some of the reports are suggesting that Xiaomi will start teasing the launch of this smartphone as it's likely to be launched in India later this month. So when it comes to its specs, many of the leaks are suggesting that this phone may have similar specifications like the Mi 11 Lite 5G launched in China way back in March. Anyways, let's take a quick look at its specifications. In terms of design, Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE will look pretty similar to the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 4G that was launched in India. It will be a super sleek phone with just 6.8 mm of thickness and 159 grams of weight. The lightweight phone will reportedly come with a matte finish on its back, with a square camera module and Xiaomi branding. The NE version is tipped to launch with 6.55 inches of Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90 Hz of refresh rate and Gorilla Glass protection on rear and front both. The Chinese version of Mi 11 Lite 5G was launched with Snapdragon 780G chipset. But according to a tipster, this 11 Lite 5G NE will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is the same processor powering the Realme GT Master Edition and Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. And apart from this, the phone will reportedly run on MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11 and the phone is likely to come in two variants, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. And now in the camera department, this Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE will reportedly be coming up with a triple rear camera setup, including a 64 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel secondary camera and a 5 megapixel third sensor. At the front, the phone gets a 20 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. So now here are some other features. The phone will reportedly come with side-mounted fingerprint sensor, hybrid SIM card slot, but without the 3.5 mm headphone jack. And now when we talk about its battery life, even if the phone is super sleek and thin, the phone will reportedly come with 4250 mAh battery with 33 watts of fast charging support. So guys, it seems like if this phone comes with these rumored specs, it will be giving tough competition to Realme GT Master Edition and Moto Edge 20. And now after knowing its specs, it's time to know the price. Well, the leaks are suggesting that its 6GB plus 128GB variant is likely to be launched at a price of Rs 25,000 to 27,000. And its 8GB plus 128GB variant is likely to come up at a price of Rs 27,000 to 28,000. But don't forget guys, these prices have been suggested in the leaks, so there is no official confirmation on that. So guys, one thing I'd like to mention that Xiaomi doesn't seem to stop when it comes to smartphone launches. But I guess what's the point of launching so many smartphones back to back when you keep on rising the price of previous phones few months after their launch? Isn't this unfair to the customers? So that was all about Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G New Edition. Let us know in comment section what are your thoughts on this phone and what should be its price according to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone.